Hi folks, Adam Hires here, Hires & Associates Insurance. And in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about shopping for life insurance plans and quotes. If you just Google Hires & Associates, we'll pop right up. This is our home page. You can go to any of our life insurance pages, and you'll see on each one, we've got software here where you can quote plans. So it's going to ask you to put in a name. You don't have to put in your name if you don't want to, but it will get you started. You can put in a fictitious name. Don't worry. We're not going to ask a lot of personal information. We won't call you and bother you. You can always call us if you want to talk about things. Our phone number is right here at the top. And we'll put in me. I'm a male. How healthy are you? You know, most folks are going to qualify for maybe a preferred rating or even a super preferred rating if you're not on many prescriptions and in good health. So let's just say we think we're about 4 out of 5 stars. But whatever you apply for may not be what you get. You could get a better rate, and we'll tell you that. Or if there's some health issues there, you might get a worse rate. We'll work with you. That's a good idea to call us if you're not quite sure what health class you might fit in. We don't use cannabis or nicotine or anything like that. Maybe you're 5'9", 165. Build will matter when you're buying life insurance. And then it's going to want to know when we were born. We'll say we were born March 13th, 1975. For example, and then it's going to start calculating rates for us. So right away, just with that little bit of information, you're looking at rates and getting an idea of what a plan might cost. Two major categories in insurance. There's term and there's permanent. Most of our clients are buying term. Maybe that's something for 10 years, 15 years, 30 years. Think of this as just renting insurance. I just want to cover the next few years, 10, 20, 30 years till maybe house is paid off, there's more savings, there's more retirement income, maybe the kids are out of college, that kind of thing. We're trying to get from point A to point B. So it's going to default to $1 million. That may seem like a lot of insurance, but if you've got a family and some kids and a spouse and maybe you are the primary breadwinner, there's a lot to cover. So you might be surprised to find out that even $1 million might not be enough for a lot of families. But when we do this, immediately it's going to tell us what approximately the lowest rate is for each. So $1 million for our person, we're starting at about $197 a month. So we can click on that and it will take us right there. Well, Protective is coming up first, A+ rated company. We're only dealing with well-rated A+ companies in our software. We don't have a bunch of small ones you've never heard of. You can even click down and show a little bit of the policy details, but you can also see who the competitors are. So maybe there's a particular insurance company that you have in mind. For example, Banner says no exam. That's going to be pretty easy. Protective is going to have a little bit of an exam. With larger life insurance policies, you can expect a paramed exam. That means someone might come out to the house, maybe do saliva, maybe draw a little blood. They may want your medical records. But we make it easy to apply. If you find the plan that you like and apply in minutes, a lot of us have health portals that we use at our doctor's office. You can give access to that portal so that we can get your medical records in minutes as opposed to days or weeks or even months and get an answer back pretty quickly. But with this one, we just might show policy details, why the exam is required. We'll see if we switch to an annual rate. The rates go down a little bit as well. You always save money with life insurance when you're paying annually. By the way. But maybe we're not sure if that is a large enough benefit. Maybe we're thinking we might need $2 million in life insurance, and we just want to get an idea. We're still thinking maybe 30 years. Well, we could even go to 40 if we wanted to. What would $2 million look like at 20 years? Let's rerun that quote. So very easy to see all of these things. Now Lincoln pops up, as you can see. We're still at an annual rate here of about $2,600. Right there. It's right in front of you. You have not had to give us any personal information. Again, you can always call and talk to us. But you're getting term rates at your fingertips. You can make applications. Again, if you're not sure where you might fall in terms of your health, it's a good idea to talk to us. We talk to these insurance companies and we can typically say, well, this is your sweet spot applying with this company. They have a little less underwriting than, say, the other company. But if you're just curious and shopping for rates, you might take this down. Let's say you're just looking for maybe $500,000 of permanent insurance. Permanent insurance is insurance you're not renting. This is something you're going to typically keep for your whole life. And there are different levels of permanent insurance. There's universal life, there's protection IUL, guaranteed universal life, and you can see these get a little bit more expensive, and then there's whole life. So we're buying a lot more insurance here. So we can see that these rates are going to be much more expensive when it's something that's going to typically cover you for your entire life. But we can help you with that as well. So maybe just click on the whole life to kind of see what we're looking at there, and nationwide pops up. Again, it's different strokes for different folks, to kind of use a cliche here. Some folks need whole life insurance. Some folks need term. Most of our clients, again, are on the term front. But we want to make it easy for you to shop and see what's out there and what it might cost. And then again, it's just a good idea to talk to us if you're just not sure about maybe what you should apply for and might apply for. You can contact us. Contact information is right in here. Again, we want to make it as simple as possible. So a lot of other places are going to collect a lot of information from you. They're going to sell it to a bunch of agents. That's not how we work. So again, if you want to just go to Hires and Associates and play with our software, it's free to do so. If you want to talk to us about buying insurance, we are here and happy to help. So we hope this video helps you learn a little bit more about us and what we do. We are an A+ rated insurance agency with the Better Business Bureau. Pretty good reviews here. So you're going to like the way that we will help you. Again, phone number, contact information's up here. Look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching our video.